They say accidents are meant to happen. What you do afterwards determines the outcome. Whether your carpets are handmade or machine-made, trust the professionals who are blending traditional methods of carpet cleaning with today's most advanced technologies. We are the experts of wool and silk, the specialists who have spent decades devoted to mastering an art that has long been forgotten. The art of restoring confidence and beauty to your most valuable heritage. We have served for more than 45 years in this mission, and it is our duty to assure you that your rugs and carpets of any kind and any quality are in safe hands.